Introducing Leader's NDI Checker. Maintaining complete visibility across your entire NDI network with Leader's live monitoring solution optimized for broadcast and Pro AV environments. NDI Checker, comprehensive NDI configuration controls. NDI Checker now supports advanced network configurations, such as setting your NDI group for receiving, managing external sources, choosing your receiver protocol, defining multicast IP address ranges, configuring discovery servers, selecting your preferred network interface, and assigning device aliases. It's all the control you need to integrate NDI Checker precisely into your existing workflows, whether you're dealing with a complex multi-site setup or keeping things simple in a single facility. So, if you want to see what NDI Checker can do for your workflows and whether it's the right fit, download the trial version of the NDI Checker software and try it for yourself using the QR code displayed on the screen.